Howdy folks, welcome back to JK Catering. Today we're going to make a chicken fried steak. Chicken fried steak was first documented was about 1940s, 1950s, along in there I think. It started out not as any kind of delicacy, but a way to try to make meat tender. When you coat meat in a flour mixture and dip it in a batter and fry it, you increase the size of the meat and giving it a different texture, and it becomes more tender. What I like to use is a top sirloin that doesn't have a white piece of gristle that runs through the middle, because people don't want to cut into chicken fried steak and cut into a piece of gristle. People want to cut into chicken fried steak and cut into a piece of meat. Now all that's been said, first thing we're going to do is take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One. 2 cups of flour. And then we're going to take a tablespoon of seasoned garlic salt. We're going to mix that together real well. This is your dry ingredients. You want to add black pepper to it, you can add black pepper to it. Get a little more flavor. Okay, next one we're going to do is take 1 large egg. And I'm going to take a cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk you want. You use buttermilk, 2% whole milk, regular milk. Combine that with the egg. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of baking powder. That in there. A half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're going to add about a half cup of water. Just to dilute the milk down a little bit. You can use powdered milk if you want, or you can use canned milk, whichever you want. Canned milk will make it a sweeter taste. Mix all this up real good. Now we got the ingredients mixed up. We're going to take the steak, we're going to dip it in the liquid batter. And then we're going to take it and dip it in the flour. Make sure it's coated all the way around. And then we're going to take and double dip it back in the liquid and then back into the flour. Some people call it double baptism. And then we're going to let it rest on the plate for a minute while we heat the oil up. You want to heat the oil up to 350 degrees. Go over here. at the stove. We got the oil heated to 350 degrees. You can use canola oil, you can use vegetable oil, you can use peanut oil. Some people are allergic to peanut oil, so we're using the vegetable oil. We're going to take and dip the chicken fried steak in the oil and let it cook for about 4 minutes on each side. While that's cooking, we have white gravy over here. We're going to put on our chicken fried steak. That's about done. Let that sit for a few minutes. Steak goes pretty fast. The white gravy there's a half a cup of bacon fat. You can use sausage or any other meat grease you want. 5 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, and salt and pepper to taste. Chicken fried steak's almost done. We'll get a wired rack on a pan. And we'll take the chicken fried steak out. We'll set it on a wired rack. Let it rest for a few minutes. We'll go over the counter with it. Get a plate. And a spoon. We're going to take the chicken fried steak, put it on a plate. Just some of the white gravy. Put some of the white gravy over it. And there you have it, chicken fried steak. Doesn't that look real good? We'll cut inside. Got a nice crunch to it. Nice and tender. If you want more recipes like this, hit like, share, subscribe, and a notification button to get more notifications when more videos come out. Again, thank you for watching JK Catering. Have a good day.